Check out this video. It was created by an AI tool, and this AI tool is free, unlimited, and it can create AI image, video, and add background music. But before we jump in, if you have not yet subscribed, it is actually free. Kindly hit that subscription button and notification so you won't miss out on my next video on AI tools. The AI tool is ChatGLM. So if yours is not in English, you just click here or you right click and you see translate to English. So let's log in. So we search for United States. United States we're using. United States, US +1. And we head to our temp number. This is where we generate our temporary phone number. I'll click the first one. Then click United States. Okay. I think we'll click the first one. Then copy content, right? Yes, copy content. Okay, these are some messages. Sorry, copy. Yes, we have copied. Then let's search for USA again. United States. Yeah. Then we'll paste our phone number. Yes. Get notification. Get verification code. So we'll drag it to where that star is here. Done. Then we head back to our temp number. Update new SMS. Okay, so we copy our code. This is our code. Okay. And we paste it. Then check. Then log in. So these are AI tool. An AI drawing. So first of all, let's see the styles they have. Okay, I think we just generate what we want. I think we generate a 3D bunny. So we'll just say generate a 3D bunny. Okay, 3D bunny. Commando. No, with no background. And let it just be transparent. I think the AI will actually understand this. So we click send. Okay, I think it's done. So I think I prefer the third one. So click the third one. And this is what we got. So I think we use the HD. It's actually limited to 9 times. But you can use the download image, but we need HD quality. So when you click that. They also have AI filter. So I think it has downloaded. Yes, it has downloaded. So we head back to our AI video. That is this AI video as in here. We'll click it. And is that AI image we're going to use as reference to create our AI video. Click here. And another thing is it actually creates consistent image. So which is actually good. We upload our image. And let me use 9:16 as our aspect ratio. Okay, I can cover this. You can actually use your logo or something to actually cover that side. So click upload. I think it should be done when I guess. So the prompt we're going to use, I think we generate from my head. I think right. The bunny will be working. Let's just generate something nice, easy, and see how the thing will go with it. See how the thing will work with it. The bunny will be working. Come out, then found a share. Found a share. Comma. What are we going to add? Okay, let's say dropped it to chase a butterfly. Drop it to chase. Coming. Chase. Sorry, CH. Chase the butterfly. And got tired. I think, yeah. Chase the butterfly makes sense. Yeah. Chase the butterfly. And got tired. And took a rest. Or took a nap. Yes, took a nap. Took a nap. Let's say took a rest, yes. Got tired and took a rest. Alright, these are prompts. You can see use ChatGPT to create yours. Let's see basic parameters. Let's just use 720 as our resolution. Create. I think you just are creating now. Yeah. Okay. 30, almost done. Yes, done. See, this is how I created our image video. So you can add music, you just click this button here to add your background music. Yes, so you see here festive, quiet, lively, sadness, epic, funny, popularity, rock. So we choose lively, and in lively we choose, let's use voice of hope. Voice of hope. So then we download it. Okay. So click our download button. So this is how you create all these video. And if up to now you have not hit that subscribe button, please don't forget to do so, so you also not miss out, and notification button also for you not to miss out on our next video. So this is it. So this is how we generated the video you saw in the beginning.